I've come out to the fields again on the path of life. And it's a strange path indeed, so it is. So it's the 21st of May 2018, and a few weeks ago I made a video of this same area where I showed all the wild. This is the cultivated, what man cultivates, which is on the earth. It's the ground of being. Well, the earth cultivates, doesn't it? Man makes use of it. And my God, they've cut all the wild, everything that's wild. So the only thing that can be cultivated in the earth, in the mind of man, is what he can make use of. But they've all the wild, what had planted itself, and the fennel and everything that is really the earth that you can imagine, it plants itself. It's its own master. So there's the wild fig tree. And I guess what's around the fig tree is probably all wild, the wheat that has planted itself, that they can't get under there to cut. As you can see the circle. So that's nature still at work. But everything else has been destroyed. All the wild herbs. Of course it will come back. I've got that, I think I've got UV filter on, but I'm seeing a little bit of, maybe it got seawater on it. Yeah, it's a bit, okay, I've just done that. A little bit of technicality there. And it's gone, okay, the poppies can survive in the edge. Very beautiful. They're everywhere right now, the beauty of